So in my time having this channel, I've created about 20 videos, I think. I've one here about third person movement. It's gotten really good traction, and I think that's it. That's the best video I could do apparently. So far from the 20 videos, I've gained 27 subscribers, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you and each and every comment that's thrown into the videos. Love interacting with you guys, helping you out, answering your questions, so on. But I guess for now, I have too much on my plate. Family, 2 kids, work, so I just haven't been up to it. So for now, unless there's demand for it, I'm gonna stop doing the tutorials. Because when I decide to code in my spare time, I really want to do something I think is fun. And I don't think the tutorials are fun to create anymore. So I think I'm going to try to create my own game. Just become better at game development in general. Maybe I'll post a devlog. Maybe it'll be each week, each month, maybe once every 6 months. I don't know. So yeah, thank you to all the ones that watched this video, all my other videos, the ones who subscribed, liked, and commented, even the ones who taken just a second to click the thumbnail. I appreciate it, I really do. But I don't have the energy to go on with the videos right now. So yeah, if you made it this far, thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for no more content. See you.